Hey YouTube, PD2 Finger back with a tutorial on Gadwin print screen. So we're going to use my browser, which is called Brave. Type in Gadwin, G-A-D-W-I-N, print screen. And that's going to take us to a place we can free download that and blah blah blah. What Gadwin print screen does is it enables you to save images. It saves your whatever is on your desktop. So right now I have Gadwin running and I have it set up to save to my desktop. So we're going to hit the button print screen. So I just hit it. You can see, okay, there's the picture of what we just got. Now I'm using Irfan View as my viewer and my editor. So I'm going to just take the mouse and select, let's cut out that bottom bar. Okay. And you know what? Let's say we just want to get just this part of the screen. So I'm going to select that and then go up here to File, Edit, Image, and it actually it's Edit, Crop. It's Control Y. Okay. So we got a little bit left over on the top there. Let's remove that. So set that a little lower. Now I'm going to hit Control and Y. Now I'm going to hit Control and S. And I'm going to rename it AW, and hit the save button. Now X out. Ooh, that was cool. And we have AW. There is my JPG. It's a BMP. So we'll go save as. Oh, look, it's set up for JPG. 100%. So yeah, we're going to save it. And now we should have the original BMP properties. That's the JPEG, and here's the BMP properties, the bitmap. 2 megabyte versus 0.2, 249 kilobyte, or 1,000. So this is 10 times smaller as a JPEG, and it looks about the same. So as you can see, Gadwin print screen is great for those times where you go to a website and you go to right click, save image, and it says we're only going to let you download this as a web page. And then you download the web page and the image doesn't show up. So in this case, let's take a look at this image here. Let's use Gadwin print screen. So I got 2 copies of that. This image here. So I'm going to put this mouse cursor right on the edge and print screen. So then we minimize this, and as you can see, we have the rocket. So let's go ahead and use our Irfan view. Control Y, Control S, enter, left directional arrow, and enter again. And then we want to rename that. Rename file rocket. File save as JPEG rocket. So we've got versus this one's smaller. So yeah, what we did is we're grabbing these images now. Control Y, file save as space. Now I'm going to show you something else that I do. We'll keep these. I like to have a copy of my stuff. So what we'll do is we'll take this space, we'll open this up. As you can see, it's kind of sloppy. We need to cut out that line. So we'll make it a little smaller. But let's say I don't want to get rid of this here. One of the things I could do is copy this, Control C, and then bring my cursor up and Control V. Now I just copied that all over this. Now we can stretch it out, Control V. Yeah, it doesn't look so great because I really stretched that out. But you can, in certain instances, you can copy, like, let's say we want to get rid of this star right here. Let's copy this, copy C. Just get right on that star. And then hit Control V, which is paste. And then when we back out of this, yeah, you can still see it. I'm giving you examples on how poorly I'm able to Photoshop with these free tools. But trust me. See there, you really don't see it. When one pops up the image initially, your eyes are drawn to this line and this movement in here, and you don't tend to notice that. Heck, I didn't even notice this had been cropped down. So there's interesting little things that we can do, along with a lot of other really cool stuff, such as, I'm hitting Control D, enter, Control D, enter, undo, undo. There's only one level of undo on Airfran View. Basically, this video I wanted to show you the Gadwin print screen is a really cool tool. Let's say I'm working in Airfran View and it locks up. I've done an hour of work on a photo and all of a sudden it locks up. Well, I could do this. I could show you here how you can copy, Control C, bring that over, Control V, and then my writing is gone. And you don't really notice it that much, really. Let me try this. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and of course I'm doing this in really broad strokes. We need a medium tone for this section. So as you can see, you are able to do a little bit of editing using just copy and paste, and then setting my boundaries and cropping. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Control S, save it as space. And I basically, in this video, I don't want to make each one too long, so I'm showing how Gadwin print screen can save images really well, especially when the website won't let you save it. And also, let's say I was working for an hour in here and then all of a sudden it locked up. I could go on my start button, find Gadwin, turn it on, and hit print screen, and then I would have ended up with this, which is saving my work that I had worked on an hour for, and then I could crop out the rest of what Gadwin captured, Control Y, Control S as save, space, and end up space and save space. So here we have the original and the copy. Can't tell a difference. So these are wonderful tool, Gadwin print screen. You're able to download this for free. They have a 64-bit version as well. I have both installed on my computer right now. I'm probably going to stick with the 64-bit, but it's a wonderful tool. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials. There's going to be more coming. See you soon.